Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying to get my vehicle started. It's been sitting for a few days and I haven't left the house. But I have a new camcorder inside my SUV that's been attached to the cigarette lighter this entire time. And I didn't know my battery was on its last leg and would no longer work, zero, nothing. So hence the reason I'm out here trying to get it to start at least long enough to make it up to the mechanics to purchase a new one. Plus, if I make it up there, I don't have to pay for a tow. I've had this portable charger now for about 8 years and it works pretty good, but not when there isn't any life left within this battery. My key fob initial starter rarely worked, but I thought it was just a key fob. That could have been an indication letting me know that it was my battery and not the key fob. If you haven't learned by now how to use a battery charger, it's always the same way no matter what charger you use. There's a plus and there's a minus that's color coded. Black goes to black, red goes to red. This part is a no-brainer. I came back out later that night and still nothing. There's a small cautious button on this charger that gives the battery an extra spark right here. And for a minute it did give me power, but that was short-lived. So I made it to the mechanics. They came and gave me a boost, and now I'm good to go. See you at the Costco. I forgot to mention I did have to purchase a new battery, but the information is in the caption. Since I'm already getting gas at Costco, I figure I go inside and get some laundry detergent, and I'll grab a cart because I may pick up something else. There it is. 60% off. Nobody like 14 karat gold over silver at all. I don't. Y'all, this man with these knives is no joke. I've had these knives probably for over 30 years and I still have the knives. They are great knives. They're called Cutco knives. They're lifetime guarantee. He gave me the card if I need sharpening, so I can go get some sharpening on those knives, free of charge, of course. But yeah, they're really expensive, like $200 for a knife, $100 and something for a knife. And then anything less than $100, that's probably a sale for a steak knife. But yeah, I have the scissors as well, and their products are really good. And like I said, I've had my knives for over 30 something years. And by the way, I didn't get my knives from Costco. I've got my knives from a cousin. He had started college many years ago, and around this time they were trying to get college students to sell this, sell that, get a credit card here, get a credit card there. But he came to me with those knives, and I just to support him decided to buy the knives. Didn't even realize that these knives were top tier knives that's out there. So yeah, they're called Cutco. I just did the math, and I got those knives in 1996. So those knives are 30 years old, and the knives are so good. Somebody walked out of my house with one of those knives, actually the steak knife. Somebody stole the steak knife, and it was like a pearl handle. Beautiful knives. Bummer, somebody stole my steak knife. Dirty dog. So that company is legit. They say what they mean. They mean what they say when it comes to those knives. So they are legit. It's C-U-T-C-O Cutco. C-U-T-C-O Cutco. So y'all, I'm getting tired. I'm about to ditch Costco. I have my detergent. See what mi casa. So I'm back home, and this part of the video I'm putting together my bedding actually, and the full part of this setting up this bedding will not be on this DIY channel, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below.